What is up, guys? It's your boy Beto again with some vlogs. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, guys. Well, today, unfortunately, as you can see, my seat's not running, guys. My fuel pump gave out. But guess what, guys? It came in already, guys. So check this out, guys. Woo! For now, I got a stock fuel pump. As you guys can see, it's pretty nice. Yeah, buddy. Anyways, guys, we're gonna be installing that. It's gonna be a quick little video, short video actually, and then I'm gonna put my GoPro on so you guys could do a little POV of me doing this, and then hopefully it starts, because it's not running, guys. Hopefully it's my fuel pump. Fingers crossed, guys. So let's go. Woo! All right, guys. As you all know, the fuel pump it's under the back seat right here. So let's get all this out of the way. It's right here. This out of the way. Under this, guys, I don't know if you guys could see that well. So under that, guys, I don't know if you guys could see. Right there. Under that, guys, is gonna be the fuel pump. I'll show you guys in a bit. Alright, guys, there it is. It removes 1, 2, 3, 4 top screws, and pick this up, and it should be right there, guys, the fuel pump. So you just disconnect this. No, we'll leave it there. Just disconnect it from here and move it out of the way. What was squeeze here?
"2,000 years later."
Anyways, yeah, I'll disconnect it, guys, and move it out of the way. Put it somewhere.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Right there. Yeah. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 bolts, guys. 7 screws. And yeah, it should be popping out. Let's go. These are gonna be a little bit harder to get. As you can see, those screwdrivers only go in there perfectly, but we got it. Ooh. See, guys, I told you. Let's get these screws. Put it somewhere where they'll be safe. They'll be safe right here on the ground. Alright, let's get these other screws. This one's gonna make it pop. See? It popped like I told you guys. Let's remove it slowly, guys, because you don't want this one to fall. There we go. And yeah, your fuel pump should be ready to come out. You just disconnect this wire from right here, and it should be all ready to go. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I always have a freaking trouble taking off this. Focus. don't know how the hell do you take out that. We're still here, guys. 20 million years later. Alright. Keep you updated. Finally got it, guys. Make sure you guys take this off. It's on top. Make sure not to drop it, guys. Put it on the side. Put it wherever you guys want. But don't drop it, guys. Anyways, we got this line already. So best to get off, guys. And your fuel pump should come out. So yeah, let's get it out. Alright, let's cut this fuel pump. And hope for the best. Nice. Okay, we got it. Let's take out these. And it should come coming out. Here we go. Woo! Check this out. Nice and brand new. Alright, let's take out the cover. Yeah, guys. So hopefully this solves my problem of my car not turning on. I'm pretty sure because every time you turn on the key, it doesn't make sound on the fuel pump. So I'm pretty sure it's this. So do this carefully, guys. Make sure you guys are careful with your fuel level sensor and your cap on the top. Remove it too. And yeah, that's it, guys. Should be good. So it comes like that. Make sure you just plug it in. Plug in your pump, and it should be ready to go. Make sure it clicks. Clicked, and yeah. So I'll see you guys right now. All right, guys. So now just remove this. Pull it up, guys. There's a line on the back. I don't know if you guys can see it somewhere on the back. So I'll get back to you as soon as it's removed, guys, and we should be done. And the fuel pump it's removed, guys, already. Jeez, whole mess down there, man. So yeah, make sure this is the line. I'm telling you guys, as you can see, it goes inside there. So goes on back. So you guys take care of that, and yeah, we should all be done. Let's put on the new one, and we should be done. Yeah, buddy. All right, guys, my new pump is finally installed. I was having a problem with this line, guys. I forgot to put this back in. I had to take off the line again because I forgot to put the little tray that goes around it. Don't forget, guys, because you're gonna have a problem taking this off. Anyways, guys, let me just plug in everything back in, and fingers crossed. Let's see if it works. So yeah, we're ready. Woo. We should be ready to roll. Hell yeah, son. There it clicked. Get this 4 done. And we should be ready, guys. So yeah. Alright, guys, let's put everything back on. As you guys took it out, this rookie rack, the jiggy.
What did you say?
And there it is. Nice and simple. This tray. Okay, make sure it's in there. Perfect. Nice. And then this carpet. Nice. The menu you guys have in, and then the plates. And that should be in. Put this back on. Alright, got it. Cool. And perfect. Put this back. Right here. I'm gonna fix this, guys, too. And voila. Now now, guys, hopefully it does work now. Spray. Whew, let's go. Oh, baby, I missed you. Let's go. Hopefully. Oh, the keys are here. No, where the keys? Where the keys? Where the keys? All right, let's do this. Oh. Let's go. Hopefully it turn on. I hear it. It's a good sign, guys. I hear it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. It turns on. Jeez. Love you, baby. I'm gonna reset the check engine, guys. Hopefully it goes away. So yeah. Nice, baby. Alright, guys, let's go test it on. So you can see I already reset the ECU. So no more check engine. So far it's running good. A bit of oil because I was missing a little bit of oil, so oil pressure seems good. Damn, man, I miss driving at nights. The car was just sitting there for like 2 weeks and a half probably. Stand there and driving with a camera, no good, no way, no. Anyways, guys, yeah, the car's running good. Perfect. Let's see how it does. I'll be back in a minute. Let's go. Woo. Beauty. Alright, guys. Well, thank God it was my pump already, so I missed this thing. It was sitting down for almost 2 weeks, guys. Thank God it was my PC's running back again, guys. Stay tuned because we got some vlogs coming up, and yeah, guys, I did wrap my wing, so I got that video coming out too, so stay tuned for that video and more videos, guys. I miss you guys, and you guys stay safe and wash your hands, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Woo.